everyone, in this video, we are going to learn the difference between a fixed or an emergent mixed methods research design. But before we are going to differentiate a fixed and an emergent mixed method, let us first recall on what's really the purpose on why researchers are doing a mixed methods research. So as you can see on screen, a mixed method research is an approach to inquiry that combines or associates both qualitative and quantitative forms. So in this type of research design, the researcher will combine the elements of both the quanti and the qualitative research approaches. And the goal is to provide a more comprehensive understanding of the research issue or the research phenomenon. In researchers using a mixed method research, probably an explanatory sequential, an exploratory sequential, or even a convergent, parallel, or concurrent triangulation research. So those who are doing this type of research are directed towards developing a more comprehensive understanding on the research issue. That there are types of mixed methods research according to whether it is pre-planned or probably a mixed method research was conceptualized as the researcher conducted his or her research study. Or the choice of a mixed methods research design could either be fixed, that means to say that the quantitative and the qualitative methods is predetermined and planned at the start of the research process, and the procedures are clearly implemented as planned. So in this type of a mixed method research, the researcher already designed, already selected what specific mixed method research approach will he or she be using in his or her study. So as the name itself, fixed, meaning to say, it's predetermined. The research design or the mixed method research approach was already planned before the start of the research study. What mixed method research approach during the proposal or during the conceptualization of the research paper, these are implemented. The procedures, the techniques, as reflected on the research proposal, are faithfully implemented in the course of the research project. Remember, the types of qualitative research, or one of the characteristics of a qualitative research, is that it is emergent. So when we say emergent, probably you change the way you analyze the data. Probably you also change the way how you conducted the study. That makes it qualitative emergent. For a mixed method research, we also have an emergent type. So an emergent type of a mixed method research suggests that the researchers or a researcher were able to add another methodology as he or she conducted the research. In this type of mixed method research, the use of the mixed methods arises due to issues that develop during the process of conducting the research. So please take note that the researcher was able to add another methodology because he or she feels that there is a necessity to develop or to add another methodology, making it a mixed method research design. According to Morse and Nyhouse, 2009, a researcher may use a quantitative research and then along the way, he or she feels that there is a necessity to add another methodology. And that is why the choice of a mixed method research design is not fixed, but is considered as emergent. So from quantitative research, probably a researcher may add a qualitative research approach, making the study a mixed method and is classified to be emergent. For example, in the study of RAS 2009, she described how she found to add a quantitative component. So originally, the researcher used a qualitative case study, but she feels the necessity to add a quantitative component to be able to arrive in a more comprehensive result or understanding on the research issue or on the research phenomenon. So remember, your mixed methods research design could either be fixed, that means to say it's already planned, or it could also be emergent, that means to say you design or you decided to use a mixed method research because along the way, during the conduct of the research study, you feel that there is a need to add another methodology or another approach in the research study, making it an emergent mixed method research design. So the question now is, which of the two are you really using? Did you use a fixed mixed method research or an emergent mixed method research design?